there it is. It's back in place. Just listen to this. It's the cadence of creativity. It's the percussion of punctuation. That sound, you'll get lost in it. It becomes a rhythm. It becomes a music.
Creativity thrives in the analog. It dies in the digital. This is number 2 on my list of things to do in a creative emergency, but I think it is my favourite thing on this whole list. I'll sit down, load a piece of paper into the machine and start writing. What comes out at first isn't really important. What's important is just getting it out. This is the Brother Deluxe 760 TR. It cost me £40. Best £40 I ever spent. Can you imagine using a laptop from 20 years ago? Can you imagine using a laptop from 10 years ago? My typewriter is 47 years old, and it's not even a particularly old typewriter. There's a permanence to typewritten stuff that I love. I keep all of the pages I've ever typed on this thing. The brilliance of the typewriter, amongst many other things, is the lack of distractions. Though the versatility of the digital counterpart is incredibly useful, it's not nearly as brilliant as the feeling of pressing an actual button that does actual things. The feeling of using the typewriter and the sheer pleasure that I get from just using it is often enough for me to overcome creative block. Not always thanks to some lofty idea that magically manifested itself by means of the typewriter, but rather thanks simply to the joy of using one of these beautiful machines. Where creativity, once lost in the dense jungle of digital distractions, can again thrive and be rediscovered at the typewriter.